Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm José and I'm here at Sibos 2017 in Toronto. And joining me is Craig Ramsey from ACI Worldwide and José Beltran from STET. And we are talking about instant payments. Thank you both very much for joining me.
Good afternoon.
Yes, thank you.
José, can you tell us about this relationship?
The instant payments have been rolled out in Europe from November 2017. This is going to be a major challenge to the banking industry. We're trying to find ways of facilitating banks' entry to this new scheme. And we have thought that the best way to do this is to partner with a reputable company, one of the leading processors in instant payments in the world, as a complementary solution for banks looking to join our clearing system.
Well, we're thrilled to be working with STET. It's a phenomenal opportunity for two of the leading instant payment providers for Europe to join together and bring something that's mutually beneficial to our respective customers. We're going to be providing capability in our cloud to enable fast and easy onboarding into STET and the other European clearing schemes for real-time payments, as well as providing rapid deployment models for banks looking for on-premise solutions of our upper immediate payments. Our upper immediate payments already has a phenomenal foundation in the UK, where we still process around about 60% of UK faster payments through ACI software. We've got now deployments in Thailand and Singapore. Australia's shortly going live. We're working in Europe with some on-premise banks, some big name banks there. And we're working in the US with the likes of Jack Henry to bring ubiquity into the real-time schemes across the US as well as some of the banks. So it's a great opportunity for us to do a targeted solution which will really bring value to our respective customers.
What value and opportunity does this bring to the French and Belgian market and also the further European market?
So STET is well known in France and Belgium. 100% of the banks in France and Belgium use STET for their current clearing needs. And with instant payments now becoming the new norm for payments processing, it's natural for them to look to STET for leadership and guidance as to how to achieve real-time payments. But the wider European opportunity is where we can add the extra value, and that's to access the other schemes where real-time payments will be settled.
We are a leading player in the French and Belgian market, but the instant payments is a pan-European solution. We're leveraging the experience to position ourselves in the European market for the instant payments. We think it's an ideal relationship that how to onboard 4,000 European banks onto this new scheme. We're very confident, we're very pleased to be working together. We think we will have an important value proposition by marrying together the processing skills and experience of ACI with STET's processing, clearing and settlement.
What is the timing of the relationship?
Well, it's now. Real-time payments are already starting to go live in Europe. They're already live across the rest of the world, or many countries across the rest of the world. And even today, we see in excess of 20 countries now looking at real-time payments. Real-time payments are the new normal for processing of small credit transfers. And that's going to change as the years move on. We've already seen a shift in the UK from small value to now millions of pounds being suggested for the new transaction limit. We're going to see that across Europe. So now is the time to get on board with real-time payments and set yourselves up ready to process for real-time payments. We believe that's the relationship that working with STET will help our banks achieve that.
Totally agree. It is now. There are many institutions thinking how they will be impacted and how they will onboard into the new scheme. From January 2018, we have a new regulation which brings further competition in the interbank space for payments initiation. We have, you can see the beginnings of convergence between high-value payments and the traditional ACH converging in the STD Inst. the creativity of, or the opportunity to move direct debits onto e-invoicing with instant payments. There's a whole very fast evolution happening today, which is going to be supported by the rails of instant payments. And this is the value proposition that we're trying to bring together with a simple end-to-end that will allow financial institutions everywhere in Europe to onboard.
That's great. Craig, Jose, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure, thank you.
And thank you for watching.